switch to rotate the attachment forward. Press this switch to rotate the attachment backward. This switch locks continuous rotation. After pressing it, the attachment will keep rotating. This switch controls the hydraulic circuit. When the attachment needs to slow down, the circuit must be activated first. This is the on button. This is the off button. This switch controls the lights. Lights on. Lights off. This is the override switch. For safety, when you are not standing on the machine, the joystick cannot be operated. Turn on the